Hey, this is a quick review of your entrance ticket for your first lesson. We want to graph x is greater than or equal to 3. So on the number line, I have to have a 3. Now it's nice to have a number to the left and a number to the, I said that backwards, a number to the right and a number to the left, but you don't have to. Notice there is a line underneath the inequalities, so that means we're including 3. So I'm going to put a closed circle on 3. I'm going to pick numbers bigger than 3, so I'm going to shade to the right. As a review, whenever the variable is on the left, it shades in the same direction their inequality points. Now let's take a look at example 2. This is one we're going to graph in between 2 and 6. So I need to have 2 in my number line, so I'll put 1, 2, whoa, I don't know how I do that sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whoops, I don't know why that keeps moving on me because I don't want it to move, but it is. 5, 6, and 7. Wow, sorry about that. Okay, let's try that again. 7. Okay, notice there's lines underneath both my inequalities, so I'm going to fill in the 2, I'm going to fill in the 6, and I'm going to shade in between my 2 points. So any number between 2 and 6 is going to be shaded. That's what we have in between. Now let's take a look at question 3. This one has an OR. An OR is actually kind of like 2 separate problems all in the same number line. So first off, I look at my 2 numbers. I see I've got a 0 and a 1. So I'm going to put -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now the first one, x is less than 1. So what happens is I'm not including 1, so I'm going to put an open circle on 1. And then I'm going to shade to the left. And then I'm going to put an open circle on 0. And I'm going to shade to the right. I'm going to switch colors on that just so you can see the difference. Now it's OR, so it's one or the other. Notice, with one or the other, I'm actually shading the entire number line. I'm going to include everything because when x is less than 1, I'm going to include 0. When x is greater than 0, I'm going to include 1. So the entire number line gets shaded. To show that it goes on forever, a lot of times I'll fill in the arrows on the left and to the right. And that is how we start our entrance ticket for our first lesson.